Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the apps crashing in your Android device. So for example, you're going to have to launch your Play Store and search for the application that keeps crashing. Let's say if it were Instagram, search for Instagram, make sure that you see open instead of update. Now next, what you could do is head over to your settings, scroll below and select apps. Search for Instagram if it was crashing constantly. Let's go ahead and clear some cache. For that, select storage, clear cache. Once you do so, all you have to do is come back onto app info page, force stop your application. This is a temporary action. Tap onto it, OK, and then restart your device. And all you have to do is launch the application like Instagram if it were crashing, and it will definitely fix your problem. At times when your Wi-Fi connection is slower, that also happens, but it will automatically be fixed within 2 or 3 hours. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.